What's up, everybody? My name is Jaime Luna. I am from San Antonio, Texas, born and raised. I've been playing drums for about 23 years now. I've gone from jazz band middle school to high school drumline to starting my first band when I was 14 years old, to drumming in 4 or 5 bands at once up until I was about 32, 33, which was like last year. So some of you have maybe seen some of my bands, some of you haven't. I have played a lot of different drumsticks, and I am so glad that I was put on to Collision Drumsticks. What I currently play on are the 5BRs, the 5B Reaches. Man, they are so insanely comfortable. They are insanely durable, which is the most important part for me because I am a heavy hitter. And the little extra reach that it gives, it helps a lot when you are playing hard, fast music. And I'm talking like I bought a brand new pair of sticks from these other companies before, and on the very first hit of the show have broken sticks. And that's ridiculous because you pay $15, $16, $17, $18 a pair of sticks, you expect them to last at least 30 minutes, right? No. Some of these sticks are just so poorly made, and these are the sticks that I used for the video that I'm about to show you. Not sure if you can even see it. I played maybe like 4 or 5 times on these sticks already, and that's it. That's all you can see is those little dents. That's it. I have done no damage to these sticks at all, and that's incredible to me. So I very much look forward to working with Collision Drumsticks. Thank you guys for the opportunity. Everyone watching this, thank you so much for all your support and all your love. I am currently an independent musician and a session drummer. And the cover that I'm about to do for you is not a cover, it's a playthrough. Is from my most recent band, Lower Depths. It's off an EP called Purification Through Self-Sacrifice, and the song title is exactly the same, Purification Through Self-Sacrifice. I really hope you enjoy it, and reach out to me if you have any questions. Let's be friends. Thank you, guys.